What's up, YouTube? Do you want everything done for you? I know I do. I know you do. That's why I'm so excited to tell you all about Sizzle by my friend Bill Hoogle. Stay with me, it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who could pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche. Basically, I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or, no, 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 no. Stop it. Stop it now. Stop the complaining. Go back to The Simpsons. Stop bothering me. He's so annoying. Really, really annoying. Anyway. The way things work here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, I love Liz. She says the same thing every day, but she's so sweet about it. You can't help but not like her. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're on the sales page for Sizzl. Now, this is a brand new product from my friend and mentor, Bill Hoogle. Now, Bill has been doing this for a very, very long time. In the past couple of years, he's kind of not been doing his own stuff. He's basically been supporting products from other people and releasing them. And this is the first time he's actually done one all on his own. And it's quite a doozy. Basically, the concept was to create something where everything is done for you. And you can see the kind of numbers that he's got. This is actually pretty low. I've known Bill to easily bank $500,000 a day. So, you know, these numbers are child's play to do when you have something like Sizzl, because it's a really done for you package. Now, I do want to talk to you a little bit about my own bonuses, but I want to first just quickly go over the sales page. Yes, there's no tech skills needed. You only experience, well, you do need a list, but he'll help you build one. You don't need to create a product, no. Facebook ads, not really. Basically, this is an accurate sales page, and it's going to get you the money. Okay, you're going to be able to see results from Sizzl. It's actually a very, very easy product to use, because you can see the buy button. It goes here because it hasn't gone live yet. It's a very, very easy product to use, and he's going to give you everything you need in order to make this thing work. And that's what's really nice. I love these done-for-you packages where he gives you everything you need in order to make it work. Now, we're going to take a look at the members area in just a moment. Before we do that, I wanted to get into my own custom bonuses, because there's some really cool stuff that I'm going to be giving you. So, you know, I thought a lot about what I could add in, because Bill's trying to make this a done-for-you package. And so I thought about it a lot. And what I've decided to do is something that I have never, ever done before. So basically, when you do Sizzl, the idea is to be making money off of affiliate marketing. A big part of affiliate marketing is putting up YouTube videos. Now, you can put up YouTube videos without appearing on camera. That's fine. I like to appear on camera. Other people don't. That's no problem. But one of the ways that you can make your videos really, well, Sizzl, is to actually have your very own custom intro. Like you saw my video intro, I actually sell these things for 25 bucks a piece. That's what I sell them for. I actually have my own launch coming out in a few weeks, where I teach you how I am able to do this. I am going to give you a video intro of your own, a custom video intro, completely for free. Nothing to buy. You get it completely for free. On top of that, if you don't have a logo yet, I'm going to give you a set of 10 logo templates, and I'm going to teach you how to customize them. So basically, when you get into the Sizzle method, you're going to get done for you emails, you're going to get a done for you blog. All that is done for you. But I'm simply taking you to the next level and showing you how to make yourself look completely professional with your own logo, with your own video intro. And I'm also going to give you one more thing, which I think is very, very important, which is going to be my guide. Actually, two things. First, we're going to get my guide to creating custom emails. Now, this is really, really important, and I'll explain why it's so important. Because a big part of doing Sizzle is to send out emails for products that are for sale. So I'm going to give you my guide to writing my own custom emails. This is something that I created myself. I'm really, really good at it. If you're seeing my video, you probably know about this already. And I'm also going to give you my guide to creating a buyer's list. This is a new method. It doesn't cost anything to do. And it's a really, really cool method that I came up with on my own that I think you're really going to love. And it doesn't cost a penny. It's not hard to do. It's not technical. You don't have to create a product. It's really going to get you a buyer's list super fast, super simple. So let's go ahead and take a look at the members area and see what Sizzle is all about. So we are on the members area for Sizzle.
You mean like at a barbecue?
No, it's not something to do with a barbecue, but I mean that sounds good. Bill's Canadian; they like barbecuing up there. Uh, but basically, what he's going to show you is like this. He's going to show you how to set up a blog. He's got a blog template already done for you. Okay, he's going to give you squeeze pages. Again, these are already done for you squeeze pages. These are really cool because basically you're going to use Converti, which does cost money. So but it's not a lot of money, and you get it for free for a while. You get a free trial. He's going to show you how to hook up Aweber. He's going to give you a set of done for you emails that you can plug into Aweber. He's also going to show you how to get traffic, either Google ads or solo ads. And he's going to show you solo ads from a particular vendor. I have used this vendor myself. He is probably the best solo ad vendor that I have personally found. I think what I'm going to do for you in my custom bonus, I'm going to give you one more solo ad vendor who's actually cheaper than the one that Bill recommends. And this guy will also get you some really good solo ads for significantly less than you're going to spend for the one that Bill is going to recommend to you. The guy Bill's going to recommend to you is good. This guy is also really good. These are the only two that I would actually even consider using. I've done a lot of solo ads, and frankly, they are mostly crap. Bart, really, stop it. He's so annoying. Anyway, so yeah, but basically, it's a complete done for you package. It's going to show you how to set up Google ads. It's going to show you how to set up solo ads. Um, the only thing it's not really doing for you is showing you how to get a free buyers list, which of course you're going to get with my custom bonus. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to Bill or not. So, am I going to give a tip of my hat to Bill for Sizzle? Well, you bet I am. It's a complete done for you package for $12. Really nicely done. Very, very professional. I really like Sizzle quite a little bit. And this is going to blow your mind. It's really, everything is ready. It's here for you. It's ready to roll. Go ahead and grab it. You absolutely are going to love it.